Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage-listed stretch of coastline in southern Italy's Campania region, 60 kilometers south of Naples and 20 kilometers from Sorrento. It stretches for around 50 kilometers, with 13 towns and villages connected by the cliff-hugging serpentine road that's one of the most breathtaking driving routes in Europe. Built on steep cliffs with villages cascading down towards the turquoise Tyrrhenian Sea, the Amalfi Coast is one of the most scenic stretches of coastline in Italy. Its ornate villas, domed churches, lemon groves, and terraced vineyards have been attracting visitors since the Romans, and the Amalfi Coast is still a popular place to visit. A string of waterfront towns runs along the coast, starting with Positano in the west and heading east to Praiano, Conca dei Marini, Amalfi, Atrani, Minori, Maiori, Cetara and Vietri sul Mare. And up in the hills behind them are Ravello, Tramonti, Furore and Agerola. The best time to visit the Amalfi Coast is in the spring and fall, specifically May and September. During these months temperatures are the most comfortable. Though summer may sound like the ideal option, both domestic and international travelers flock to the tiny towns that line the Amalfi Coast. One look at the Amalfi Coast and you may believe that you've found heaven on earth. That's the kind of spellbinding effect the stretch of Italian coastline tends to have on the 5 million annual visitors who cross its mesmerizing paths.